So Ma'am Cynthia, tell us more about yung product niyo. Kailan, well, kailan kayo nagkaroon ng, well, idea talaga na, well, gawin yung idea magkaroon ng isang earthquake gear?
Okay, you wanna go really back?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, I've been a long member of Earth Savers UNESCO Philippines. Earth Savers was started, I think, by Sonny Alvarez. So it made me aware of the environment. And then the great tsunami happened. And then I'm a news buff because, like, I'm a journalist, so I really keep on watching the news. And then I have what I also am crazy about this how a raw egg falls, okay, without breaking it. So I began to examine how we can protect ourselves from earthquakes, because we cannot stop it, we cannot predict it, no matter what people say. And of course, I'm scared of it. And we know it's gonna happen. So, I was trying first to do the impossible. Like, what about something na lahat mapoprotect? It's impossible. Because it happens so fast. It can happen now. But, what I came up with is something to stop the velocity. Just wear it. Okay? Just in case. So that you can go out and if anything falls on you, even if it's hollow blocks, you're protected. At least your skull is. If you're inside the building, you are protected in a sense, but you can get out maimed. Okay, I'm frank about that. It will not protect your limbs, but it can protect your lives. So, what I did was to study it along with a friend. I could not have done it without her. Now, we've been working on this for 11 years actually. Her name is Diane Cross. She lives in Michigan. And we came up with a partnership. Me and thee. It's like me and thee. So, Diane found out that for an egg to fall from a building and then have the less impact or velocity, you need to have spaces in between. Okay, an example of this is why bubble wrap, why you can you see bubble wrap, they've got spaces to protect the product. So using the same thing plus the kind of spaces by using small arrangements of beads. Actually, they're called space beads. Okay, that
yung raw materials.
yeah, no, cause that's basically it, no. Though I can't tell the secret, cause Diane's there, and she's my partner. So we came up with this thing. Okay. Again, it doesn't protect anything, but it will protect your head. You may come out without a leg, but you got your brain still. And that's the important part. As long as you can think, you're productive.
Okay. So, are we doing the manufacturing na ba, kumbaga, well, sa mass produce or pagdating sa ganun?
In the United States, my partner Diane Cross, by the way, she also invented pod blogging. Yeah, the term. She's the same Diane Cross who invented